Hey guys, I'm just working out.
Sounds fun. Whoa, 2-pounders?
Yeah, I've gone up from the 1 to the 2 by the end of summer.
Like,
I'm
getting
gonna
ready
hit
for
3.
6th grade.
Yeah.
We'll be at the top of the school this time. The big boys.
Yeah, but you guys, sorry to break it to you, but I really don't think we're just cool enough.
What? We're totally cool.
But don't worry. I've got a way.
So what's the big plan, Timmy?
Well, let's just say it's top secret. Very secret. Now, here's what we're gonna do. Now, I heard from the last year's 6th graders that there was a cool thing called doorbell ditching, I think it's called.
How does that work?
Well, now, this is what I heard. Somebody goes up, they ring the doorbell, right? But here's the catch. They run away, and then when the person opens up the door, nobody's there.
Whoa!
I thought it was creative. Well, this is the place.
So where's Simon?
Well, he pissed his pants and he had to get new undies. Okay. Now, here's the plan. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over, I'm going to ring the doorbell, and then I'm going to run away.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So kind of stand in that region and get in a good running stance. Okay? Stance. Okay.
Okay. Be careful.
My cupcake!
Oh, no!
Oh, no!
Hey, Timmy, I got my new undies.